Are you looking for the best HID headlight kits? In this video, we will break down the top 4 HID headlight kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. INNOVITED 55W AC HID Bundle. This brand joins the best HID kit review for the ease of installation and a collective package of all colors for almost any bulb size. The brand has some of the best ballasts in the market with a 55W strength for all versions. The bi-xenon bulbs light on a 3900 lumens light with a 5500 hour lifespan. It is a plug-and-play HID headlight and you will install it within 30 minutes with the installation manual. It also has a 2-year warranty. The AC current used by the kit integrates with your car battery without much voltage change, ensuring compatibility with even motorbikes. At number 2. The Zentech HID Conversion Kit. The power of upgrading to a bright high white beam halogen through a DC connection is the main attraction of this HID brand. It is one of the best HID kits in the market using the bi-xenon 35W alloy slim ballast. The HID headlights rely on HALO cool white halogen beams for a strong light that is less prone to flickering due to the stable current flow. However, the DC wiring puts more stress on your battery, reducing the wiring convenience of your car. Zentech offers a 2-year warranty on their products with customer service available only through chats and email. The installation is also quite simple with a straightforward manual attached to the kit. This bulb is compatible with many car brands. Zentech offers 6000K compatible with sizes HB5, 9004, and 9007. At number 3. Morimoto Elite HID Kit System. Morimoto sprung in the game in the year 2008. This company was established in the year 2008 to fill the gap in manufacturing high-quality lighting for automobiles. Some consumers could either salvage original equipment for their car or be forced to settle with inferior parts. But thanks to Morimoto, consumers can buy much less expensive and high-quality aftermarket parts, like the HID kits. Their H11 HID kits is one of Morimoto's best arsenal in providing high-quality lighting solutions for car enthusiasts. The company engineered this product to be the most durable HID kit you can invest in. Personally, this kit here impresses me with its durability. This product has a plug-and-play design for easy installation. The kit comes with 2 ballasts that are fully covered/guaranteed by the company. What I mean is that the product comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Compared with other products, this kit has almost similar features to its competitors. The only significant difference this product has from its counterparts is the input plug type. This feature allows the bulb to have a better performance. The H11 HID kit comes with 2 variants, the 35W kit or the 50W kit. Also, this kit has several mounting options that expand its usability and installation. Just follow the instructions provided by the kit, and you will be fine. At number 4. Aoki 9006 LED Bulbs. If you often drive at night, then the Aoki 9006 LED bulbs are definitely a worthy pick. The best thing about these bulbs is that they're a mid-budget option, meaning they don't cost much. Just like most of the best LED bulbs for projector headlights we've discussed, these produce super bright light without any dark spots. In fact, these bulbs produce a remarkable 10,000 lumens worth of light output that's enough to project a strong beam for several hundred feet. Other than projecting light at a far distance, these bulbs are designed to optimize the viewing angle, meaning the light produced is also wider. The quality of light produced is something else Aoki has improved. Glowing with a color temperature of 6000 K, these bulbs mimic the light of day, giving you a chance to view the road more clearly. This also helps to reduce glare to oncoming traffic, thus reducing chances of accidents. About the design, the OKI 9006 LED bulbs are equipped with a silent high-speed fan that provides enough wind to dissipate heat. The bulbs have a strong waterproof casing that has a rating of IP68, making them the best for all weather use.